Hello everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a dinner for ourselves as I always do, and this time it's gonna be an interesting recipe using simple beautiful chicken breasts. We are making chicken shish with potatoes, vegetables in an easy method with skewers. I have one chicken breast, around half cup capia pepper. This is from the freezer. It's not the season. Green peppers, 3 of them. Use mild. You can use hot if you like. These will go into chicken shish, chicken skewers, and some spices. Breadcrumbs, pepper paste. You don't have to use, but it is very tasty, so if you can find, use it. Onion will go also for the shish, and we will make a beautiful base using the green peppers, tomatoes, some more onion, and potatoes mixed with seasonings. First I'm gonna cut my onion into 4, add into the food processor. You can grate it if you like and mix it by hand. Okay, I have some bad parts here. And going to add the green peppers. These are already cut, and the red peppers. And I have 3-4 cloves of garlic here. These are small, so I'm adding more. Let's give them a mix and then add the chicken breast and the seasonings. Smells beautiful already. Now going to add the chicken pieces. Looks like I'm gonna have to use my hand and then wash pickly. Okay, for the spices I'm gonna add teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, close to teaspoon curry powder, and some paprika, a teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, teaspoon of pepper paste, a little bit olive oil, around 2-3 tablespoons, because the chicken breast doesn't have any fat. And I see some not processed meat chunks, so helping them out. Looks nice, smells nice, but it is very juicy, wet right now, so I'm gonna add more breadcrumbs. Adding around 2 tablespoons more breadcrumbs. It still looks very wet, so you can either add stale bread. At the beginning I could add, I didn't, so instead I'm gonna use more breadcrumbs until it is more of a consistency we can shape. Added some chopped parsley. Now it looks better in consistency. I'm gonna keep it in the fridge for an hour at least. It is best to set a little bit to harden, and also to give some time to mix all the flavors by themselves. Okay, while the chicken shish is resting in the fridge, I'm gonna prepare the vegetables. You can cut normally, of course, it's okay, but I have this gadget to cut it differently. And then I'm gonna just cut, it's cut like this in wedges. Like so. My potato potatoes are in medium size, so I'm just gonna into four the half of it, and it will be our shish kebabs base. Then I also wanted to cut the onion with the gadget, but it wasn't a good idea, so I sliced it with good old knife. Then seasoned my potatoes with some curry powder, salt, paprika, and thyme, kekik. Give it a nice rub so the spices can go all over the potato mixture. Add the onions. I had some red onions, so wanted to use them, but it looks like better to use the white or yellow onions because when you bake them it gets darker. Then drizzle good amount of olive oil, that's the thing that will help to bake, and put it into 200 Celsius degree oven just until you shape the chicken pieces so they can begin already to cook. So here is how we gonna shape the chicken shish. You just need a freezer bag and skewers, and as you can see I just put some of the chicken mixture over the skewers, and then by folding it with the freezer bag you can either drizzle some oil for extra fat and so it doesn't stick, but it's not sticking anyway. And with help of a dough cutter or use back of the knife, being careful, just roll the mixture tightly until you have the desired thinness. It's very fun and easy and comes out like it is commercially shaped. So I just shaped the ones that I'm gonna bake in the oven, and the rest, since my chicken breast out from the freezer, I will also bake them. But if you buy fresh ones you can just shape and freeze them and use whenever you want. My potatoes are already halfway cooked, just the time in about 15 minutes while I shape the chicken pieces. So I scattered some mild green peppers, then placed the chicken skewers, and I realized that they were not fitting into my pan, so I just teared the ends and solved the problem. And placed some tomatoes. It's optional but always gives some nice color and deliciousness. Drizzle extra olive oil. You can scatter some butter if you prefer, and it goes back to the oven for about 30 more minutes or until vegetables and chicken are soft, tender and browned on top. On halfway cooking I turned the skewers on the other side so they can brown too, and it was perfect. Okay my friends, I'm ready to taste. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna get from the chicken of course first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's very juicy, light. It's very light, also the potatoes, but still flavorful with the spices and all, and it is baked in the oven. Very healthy, beautiful dish you can make in no time. As you saw, it was really fun to shape the chicken shish in the skewers. So I would highly recommend trying this recipe if you like chicken and if you look for different ideas to use the chicken breast for dinner. Another hint I can give you is if you make in big batches the chicken shish kebab mixture, if it is not thawed from the freezer as I did now, you can shape some of it and freeze it, and whenever you want to bake them, just take it out as much as you want and place the vegetables, either bake in the air fryer or pop into the oven or either even you can grill them. It will be delicious again. I hope you give it a try, my friends, and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to give thumbs up, leave your comments to support my channel, and if you like the recipe, make sure to share it with your friends. And I'll see you in the next episode. Afiyet olsun.